Hey, it's Sally from Sally's Stunning Scents, and the next scent that I have from the Fresh family is called Clothesline. And no, guys, I'm not talking about people trying to clothesline you. I'm talking about the clothesline that my generation, our moms, dads, had a clothesline. At my parents' house, there was a post column, I don't know, on their back porch, and this was screwed into that, and then you pulled it out of the circular thing, and it went all the way across our patio to the corner of the garage where there was a hook, and he hooked it there. And believe it or not, a lot of people back in the day that did laundry did not put things in the dryer. They hung them out on the clothesline. People's skivvies were hung out where everybody could see them. Don't tell anybody, but I remember that. And my mom would hang her bras out there, and I'm like, why the hell is she showing her bras to the neighbor? I just thought it was crazy. But you would get really fresh smelling laundry by hanging it on the clothesline. So let me give you the description of clothesline. It is crisp greens, orange flower, creamy violet, and white wicker basket will let you savor the scent of just washed laundry. To me, it smells like the laundry that hung on my mom's clothesline. So it definitely reminds me of my mom, which is a good thing because I lost her for 5 years ago. It's been 5 years already. So any scent that reminds me of my mom becomes a fast favorite of mine. So, all right, guys, that's Clothesline from the Fresh family.